Hi first graders, so today I'm going to teach you about sequencing words. At the bottom of our screen in the blue is our goal. It says I can define, that means to tell what something means, recognize, and use sequencing words. Here we go. So what are sequencing words? Sequencing words tell us order. They tell us when something already happened or when it should happen, or when it's going to happen. I've got a set of 3 pictures on the screen here. I'm going to use some sequencing words to tell you the order of when each picture happens. All right, here we go. So pointing at the whole apple, first I had a whole apple. Second, I took a bite of my apple. And third, I ate the whole apple up. So these words, first, second, and third, are some examples of sequencing words. They tell us the order that those 3 pictures go in and when things happened. Are these the only sequencing words? Of course not. There's lots of sequencing words. So the 3 words on the last page, first, second, and third, are what we call numeric sequencing words. Numeric sounds like the word number, doesn't it? There's a very good reason why. It's because they're words that come from numbers. So examples of numeric sequencing words would be the 3 I had on the last page, first, second, third, or even bigger ones like 10th and even 100th. These are all numeric sequencing words. But there are lots of other sequencing words that don't have to do with numbers. Words like then, after, next, finally, and last. These all tell us the order or when things happen. There are other sequencing words too that aren't even on this page, like now, before, later. Lots of different words tell us order or when things happen. Now let's see if we can find the sequencing words. So I've got some sentences here. The first sentence says, Joy ate dinner later. Thinking about that sentence, can you find the sequencing word in that sentence? Which word tells us when Joy ate dinner? Later. Very good. So later is a sequencing word. How about the next sentence? Put your laundry away before playing. Which word tells us when or the order of when you should put your laundry away? Before. Before is a sequencing word. Next, Miss Steiner was first in line. Which word is a sequencing word? It tells you the order or when I'm in line. First. Next one, Mom left after Dad. Which word tells us the order or when Mom left? After. And last one, next, color the apple red. Which word is a sequencing word? Next. Very good. All right, last thing, I want you to look at the pictures on this page, and when I'm done giving directions, you are going to pause the video, and I want you to tell someone each step that you would use to make a pizza. You're going to start at the top with this first picture where they're rolling out the dough. I want you to use a sequencing word for each step when you describe it to somebody. So you might start with, first, roll out the dough. Second, add the sauce. And you would keep going like that. Remember, you don't have to only use numeric sequencing words. You can use some of those other sequencing words. Words like then, after, next, finally, and last. Those are other sequencing words you can use as well. All right, so again, pause the video here and tell somebody the steps to making a pizza, starting at the top, going all the way down to the bottom, and use a sequencing word for each step, each picture. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures or 5 steps. So use a sequencing word for each one. Again, I'll get you started with the first one. First, roll out the dough. All right, pause it. Nice job, first graders. All right, so just to remind you what our goal was I can define, that means tell what it means. What do sequencing words mean? Recognize and use sequencing words. So now you're going to do a digital sequencing word activity on the computer. Bye, first grade.